Hey, it's Ice Age TV Day. We got a Bronco sitting here, right? And got a Mach-E here sitting here. Got a 4Runner sitting back there. And what are we going to do today? Today is BedRug Day. You may say BedRug Day. What's that all about? Well, what I figured out over all the years of me buying all my different vehicles, and most people take these beds and put plastic bed liners in them, or you do a spray-in Line-X liner. And I've actually come to closure here recently after my Ford Tremor truck. Yeah, see the other horns here? Have I gone horny? Horns, I mean. Yeah, so what I figured out after buying that truck and having the BedRug put in, that is a really nice feature. And since I've got a nice dump trailer back there to haul a bunch of crap in, so I'm not like destroying the bed of my trucks. So today is all about my F-250 Tremor truck over there and my new Ranger truck of installing the BedRug. So follow me along as I show you how to do that. And then once I get those installed, I've got these really nice roll-up covers coming for them. I really love this Ford product. I think it's made by Backflip, but this is a roll-up cover. So, but, you know, with today's supply chain issues, for the record, I ordered these things over 2 weeks ago, and I just finally got the BedRugs in, and now it's all about putting that in, and then hopefully the next day or so, I'll get my roll-up covers, and there you go. And there's the Ford F-350 Tremor still sitting there, right? Anybody's following all my videos and be like, hey, thought you were trading that for a Mach 1 or something. And, you know, you look at this truck, damn, this truck's so nice. Do I really let that thing go? Probably shouldn't. Rate it's going, I don't think I am. So does a Mach 1 replace that? I don't know. We're still thinking about it. So anyways, fun time for me to install my accessories on my nice new Ford trucks. All right, so the first thing I did last night is I cleaned my truck up, freezing butt, but got a bunch of rain, see a bunch of water spots here, right? You know, so I'm thinking I'm gonna wipe her down, but you know, I'll be interested to see if this box here tells you to wipe this bed down with any type of rubbing alcohol or anything for the sticky parts, but I have no idea. I've never done this before, so follow me along as I do my first BedRug install. And my gut instinct is you should probably lay it out in the sun for it to kind of expand, get some heat on it. So I'm gonna wipe down the bed a little bit and we'll take it from there. All right, so you have all these vehicles. So I just found out the first rug I pulled out, which is over my Ranger, that's actually the correct rug for this truck. So thank God they have stickers on these things, because this goes to that vehicle and that one over there goes to this vehicle. So well, follow me along. The rookie bed installer. Man, you gotta love the old man step here. Look at this here. Makes it so I can step up in the truck here, which makes a huge difference. These big ass lifted factory trucks. But all right, I think we're making progress here. Looks like you just put a bunch of sticky tape around the edges of the bed here and bing bam done, right? The guys out there do this for a living, like, yeah, right, guy. Good luck. All right, so what I'm going to do, my theory is, since it's a little cooler out here, let this stuff set up in the sun. I just think it makes it a little more easier to work with, so let it kind of heat up. I'm going to do the same thing in my Ranger. I'm going to back that up so it's positioned with the sun, kind of hitting it at the right angle, if you know what I mean. All right, so let's see here how this all plays out. Get this kind of laid out. I think I'm going to kind of clean out the bed first. Got a little bit of debris in there. Hey, am I done? Wow, wasn't that fast? Wow. Look at that, huh? Yeah, right. So here's all your Velcro products. So right now I'm just laying her out. Once again, I think having the sun on that helps it kind of be a little easier to install it. So that's my goal. So let's sit out here for a while. Get all my tools. You got to take out some of your key points here. Like that there. You'll take that out. So then one up front, not a biggie. Then you kind of cut, I guess, some holes there. So you can just, don't have to cut it all out, just a portion of it for the So anyways, so follow me along. Pretty cool. I like it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, they say Torx number 45. I'm going to take my little brackets out. So that's the first thing, a nice little Craftsman Torquey gun here. So that's the first project here. So just kind of move this back here, get up in there, take that one out, take that up there. That's what I'm doing right now. Well, ain't no Torx 45, it's a 40. Maybe the 45 is over there in the big truck. But this truck is a 40, just so you know, the instructions are wrong on that one. All right, this is pretty simple. You just take now and put these here on your Velcro, but don't pull back the sticky part yet. That's for later. So just get it ready. All right, see there? So you put your sticky tape on that. And now we're going to focus up on the sides and the front. That's the next project. All right, now we're adding these little tapes, which, you know, you think they would have just put a long strip for that there, but it doesn't work that way. There's one you kind of space these out. I guess it's if you try to pull this off, it's not that brutal, I guess. So we're just adding these. I'm just spacing them out, you know. You see there? So these things stick, that's for sure. All right, we just put the header panel sticky on. Don't take the tape off yet. You're gonna rub this all down with alcohol, rubbing alcohol to get the surface prep. So I'm just prepping everything. Now I gotta do the bottom with the individual ones again. All right, little lesson here. Space these things out because you don't have enough tape to get them real close like that. So my theory is up underneath here, this is gonna be crammed up here. So I think I don't need a lot of tape there, but I think more tape on the edge and the bottom. So I'm going a little heavier on the bottom areas and a little lighter on the tops. So just hope that helps you kind of figure it out. You got to definitely pace yourself as you run out of material. You just pull them off and reposition them. Now time to start wiping down the truck with rubbing alcohol and start sticking her. All right, just rub down. I just rubbed down the whole bed. You know, you have a brand new truck, it's a lot easier. So she's all nice and clean, and you can actually feel how the surface is nice and, you know, not sticky, but you can just kind of tell that wiping this down with this is huge. So if I was you, I'd just wipe the whole bed down, and then, you know, you have all the areas covered. All right, here's a little trick. Put your bolts in for your hold downs. And then you push this back up in here and feel these little, the bolts, and you just cut around them. I'm gonna kind of get this a little better fit before I do that. So that's a little trick there for you, I'll show you. All right, see there? I can feel the bolts, and I just cut it out a little bit so it's so nice and clean. And this is all flush, so you can put your hold down bracket there. All right, making headway here. Now I get all the stickies off. I did the front panel. Now I'm doing the sides. I'll do the bed last. This all zips together, and good news is if you screw up, this is just Velcro. It pulls apart to reset these if you really do that bad a job, but so far it's going along pretty good. Wow, Skr. So, boy, I tell you what, project. You know what the project is? Zipping this thing up. Oh my gosh. There's a zipper underneath here, and it's very challenging. I would have to borderline say you just put this whole thing together and put it in, and then start pulling tape. That zipper, I swear, was upside down. Wow. So that's challenging. So everybody thinks this is that easy. It's not an easy project. For the guys who do it every day, it is. But I'm telling you, for the amateur kind of guy like me, wow. It's a little bit more than you realize. So hope this video is helping you out, and I'll show you the end product here in a moment. All right, she's all done, and you know, not bad. Good Lord, that's my next project. A lot more material over there, but boy, I tell you, I don't know. I'm gonna check that zipper before I get too far into that. I may have to zip that thing up into like a bed box and then put it down, because that zipper, oh my gosh, it's brutal zipping this bed in together. So I could have done it wrong, which I can get that being I'm a newbie, but I think it looks pretty good. So I'm very happy. Next thing's my rollback cover. So now the next project we'll make is the F-250 install bed rug. How about that, huh? Hey, thanks for watching Ice Age TV, and hope this helps you in making a purchase of the bed rug. It's a Ford sticker over there on that thing, but it's a bed rug product. And I got Ford Reward Pass points that basically lets me get this thing for little to nothing. That's why I'm buying the Ford product. So once again, hope this helps you out with Ice Age TV How To 2020. I guess this is a 2021. You know, I can't keep track of all the damn vehicles I buy all the damn time. You know, what the hell? Yeah, they're just all new. The newer Ranger truck, okay? The 2019 and newer truck, this works.